Firstly, visit res.easy.in. Then on the right hand side, click on two dots and click vendor to register as a vendor and enter your details. Click sign up. Registration successful. Now you will be redirected on this page. Click on become a vendor. Now select your store name. Now click on let's go. Now upload your store details. Now if you don't want to take online payments, you can skip this step. After filling up these details, you can continue to the next step. I have provided my Instagram link. You can add every social media link if you want. Click continue. Now we are done. Let's go to the dashboard. Now we are redirected to dashboard. Now you can see your gross sale of this month or order received this month. Our details is empty because we have not received any orders. Now to add new products, click add to my store. Popular product available in our site which you might sell. If you sell tomato burger, you can add it to your store. Click add to my store. Now this product is successfully added to your store. Or you can add multiple products. For example, Supreme Burger in the water bottle. Now you can see your products in the product menu. Now we have successfully added our products. If you want to see your store, you can click here. As you can see, our product have successfully added to the menu. Now customer can add to cart your products and click on cart and checkout. Now returning to the dashboard. Suppose you want to change price of the Supreme Burger. You can click edit to change the price. Want to make it 99 and click submit. As you can see, Supreme Burger's price have successfully changed to 99. Returning to the dashboard. Now suppose if you want to add your own product, click add to my store and click add new. Select. Now we have successfully added your product category. For example, pizza. You can see your product is published successfully. Click on product. Now we have 4 products. You can manage all of your products here in the products menu. You can see edit tab. You can edit price. For example, you are out of stock with the Supreme Burger. You can simply click archive and click OK. Your menu has successfully updated. Now you can click on archive and your out of stock burger is here. Now when you will get restocked, you can simply click on edit and click submit. Your product have been added to your menu again. As you can see, we have 4 products now. Now let's come to the order section. As you can see, right now this section is empty because we have not got any orders yet. Refresh this page. Now as you can see, order number 1095 by guest, order amount 278 via cash. Order is, if you have successfully completed this order in your restaurant, mark as complete, or you can view more details about this order by clicking on the view menu. All the items will be shown here. You can update your order from here. Now click orders. As you can see, we have successfully completed this order. Now we have one more order. Click on view details. Clicking on view details, hold update. As you can see, we have one completed order. Now we can mark this order as completed as well. Proceed. Now we have enough data. You can go on home page. Now you can see that our gross sale this month is 77. Total items sold this month is 6 items, 3 orders. Here you can check your notifications. And on the upper right corner, you can see notification board. You can click on notification board. Here you will see every message, all of the orders you have received and the admin messages. Here you will be notified with every update. For example, you have received a new order or you have successfully registered to our site. You can see every message here. For example, any customer have messaged an inquiry. You will receive a message like this and you can click on the message number. You will be redirected to new page. For example, this is a test message from our team. You can send direct message to admin. You can write whatever you need support with. Now you can send this message to our customer support. Message sent successfully. Customer support agent will reach you and reply to our customer support agent by send reply. Now you can write your message. You need help in setting up QR code. Click send. Your message has been sent. Now we will reach you. Now if you want to update your store details, for example logo, email address, banner, you can go to your dashboard. Click settings. Here you can see our store is 25% complete. Now you want to change. Example, I want to change my logo on this image icon. Select any image you want to put as a logo and click select. You can change your store banner, fill out all these details and click save. After clicking save, you can see menu and store page have been successfully edited. And change all these details in settings section. As you can see on this settings menu, here is you can set your store hours, your location, all these details. Now if you want to see reports of your sales, you can click reports. Example, I want to see my last month's sale data. Last month, here we have 0 sales because we didn't sell anything. And print your store reports by clicking print. Want to check customer reviews, you can click reviews and check customer reviews. You can see on the top right corner, there is a 3 options. Notification board, which we have already told you. Query board, where you can chat with us for any inquiry and reports. Announcement, we will update any policies, guidelines, which will be announced here. If you want to learn how to use this website, you can click on knowledge base also. Get more details. If you want to log out from the device, click log out. If you want to log in with another device, click menu icon, click vendor. You can fill out your mobile number and the password which you made and click sign in. If you have successfully signed in, you can click on dashboard. Here you will have full access to your store. I hope this video is helpful. So I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you need any help, you can click the link down below and reach our customer service agent.